Ways to help you improve your cooking. There are so many resources available for good cooking information. It may be hard to decide where to start. Cooking is an important part of day-to-day life, and you should take any opportunity to expand your knowledge. Here you will find some of the best cooking tips compiled in one place. Make sure that you never give up when you are cooking, as it is going to take a lot of practice and failure before you get it right. If you burn something, keep trying. You will only become a great cook if you maintain your persistence. Cook your pasta for 1 minute less than the box recommends. Look at the cooking time on your box of pasta and subtract a minute. If you are including the pasta in a dish, it will cook the rest of the way when you are cooking it with the sauce. Since you are going to be using a lot of sharp knives in the kitchen to cook your meals, you will want to maintain precautions at all times. Instead of simply putting your knife in the drawer, make sure that you put a wine cork on the tip to protect against cuts and scrapes upon use. Basil is one of the best things that you can add to a dish and looks great as a decoration to any type of meal. Simply add a few pieces of basil to give your meal spice and improve the overall aesthetic beauty to the dish you put on the table. A salad spinner can be a great addition to your kitchen. It will help to spin the water out of your lettuce so your salads aren't soggy and droopy. Salad spinners are inexpensive and can be found at most discount stores. They're also small, so they store easily. One fun part of learning to cook is showing off your newfound skills. If you are cooking for someone special, though, leave the experimentation for another day. Do not try new recipes or new ingredients, or, worse, both at the same time, when you are cooking a meal for someone you really want to impress. Brownies made for a bake sale are much more enticing when potential buyers can see what goodies are in them. To accomplish this task, when the pan of brownies has about 8 minutes left of baking time, remove the pan from the oven, cover the top with a layer of miniature marshmallows, and then sprinkle chocolate chips, butterscotch chips, nuts, caramel chunks, and anything else you like to add to your brownies on top of the marshmallows. Put the pan back into the oven for the final few minutes of baking to allow the marshmallows to soften and toast, and give time for the chips to melt. When the pan comes out, you will have an irresistible pan of brownies that look as good as they taste. Chicken broth should be used when you are sautéing your vegetables. Chicken broth can be purchased at any grocery store. It is important to choose a chicken broth that is low in sodium so that you do not eat too much sodium. Sodium can cause you to retain water, which is not good. Never cook when you are tired. You need to be alert when you are cooking to increase your level of safety and put you in the best position to create quality food. Besides, you're not going to enjoy the experience if you feel exhausted. When you go forward after reading these tips, you will find plenty of ways to apply this information to your own kitchen. Do not be afraid to try new things or experience new flavors. A world of delicious food awaits when you remember the great information you learned in this video. Thank you for watching another Unstoppable Intellect video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to help keep the channel growing. Knowledge is power. Together, we'll make you truly unstoppable.